Hi, today we're going to take the unboxing review at the E-CiRCUiT 4-in-1 STYLUS pen. This is the blue pen, and it has black ink in it. One of the four things that it does, well, first thing, just say it's a ballpoint pen, so you can write with it. Second, it's a phone stand. Next thing, a stylus. And fourth, it's a MiCROFiBER cleaning tip. Works with all touchscreen devices. That from the bed here. But yeah, dollar store they sell this like I don't know how good you can see on the camera here, but it's a E-CiRCUiT brand. I love their stuff. All the tries that's from the E-CiRCUiT brand, top notch quality for dirt cheap prices. Never had a problem with the electronics and stuff. So yeah, here's kind of what it looks like. So first up, just turn the tip. No, we'll take the pen and yeah, the little pen comes out. Let's see if we get to right here. Oh, hey, it works right off the bat. Cool. So there's no little like you guys rub it to get the ink going, or there's no like little wax cap on there, because sometimes they put a little wax cap on there. So, see? Hi! So, yeah, that works. Number two, this thing is a phone stand. It is flat on the back side a little bit. Not completely flat, but kind of like a little angle that, I don't know how good you can see on camera. Like maybe there you can kind of see that it's slightly flat there. So I guess you leave your pen like that, and then, oh. Did you see it? That little piece comes out. Just a little bit. Not a lot. And then you put your phone in there. Of course, it would help if you have a phone that doesn't have a case on there. So the term about an uncased phone would fit in there. Although it doesn't really quite fit. Like, you might have to actually saw off a little bit of this. And it actually was kind of small to fit a phone, but this is a phone stand, so yeah, of course my case already comes with the phone stand, so but it's supposed to, do that if you don't have a case with a phone stand, or not a case at all, which would work best. This thing is a touchscreen stylus, so let's do this. Boop 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 boop. Let's see, YouTube. So it works, and by the way, I shouldn't get any copyright strikes because the video that I'm playing right here is my own video, so it would be kind of retarded and stupid if I got a copyright strike on my own video that's playing in the background of this video. Yeah. And then just saying that up here, it's kind of like a MiCROFiBER cleaning tip, which I think that will get dirty really fast. What I think is they should have like a little cap on here that you take off the cap, and then you could expose the MiCROFiBER cleaning tip. But okay, I don't know how good you can see on camera, but I do have like some fingerprint. I'm getting tongue-tied. Fingerprint smudges on here, so let's see if we could kind of get this to be cleaned up a bit. I guess it cleans up a little bit. Oh, it's okay, I guess, for $1. I mean, more than likely, what most people is going to use this for is, writing it out as a pen or a touch screen stylus. That's about it. Pen and stylus is what works out best for me. Maybe in a pinch, a cleaner for right here, but as far as the phone stand, yeah, it just doesn't work for me because, my phone only has a phone stand, built into the case. But yeah, for $1 at a dollar store, not that bad. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.